this is a raw footage nitong video na 'to. I've coming from Associated Press. Guys, dahil ito ay mini podcast, and I'm the only one here, may mga question po, just drop it on the comments down below. And this video is a raw footage from Associated Press, and you will see yung pagpasok ng President and the First Lady. Okay, and then ito yung video kung saan kung makikita nyo, uulitin ko lang, replay ko lang ng konti. Ito po yung video which was posted by President Trump. Mula doon sa security area, tumakbo po yung mismong sabihin na nating assassin diretso doon sa ballroom. And you will see how the Secret Service stopped this person. So, nakita nyo po talagang sobrang tindi kasi nung security going to the ballroom. So, the only way he thought the best way to kill the president is to rush towards the ballroom area. Okay, this time, makikita nyo naman po, if you zoom in, makikita, ay hindi ko pala ma-zoom in dito, sorry. If you're gonna see on this video, makikita nyo po that the Vice President coming from the right side of this video is rushed behind the curtain. Sa paliwanag dyan ng ibang mga nakakaalam ng security detail, yung behind the curtain is like a secure room sa mga VIP. Dyan po sila nagstay if ever before or after ng event. So makikita nyo then that the Vice President was rushed towards behind the curtain, and then the Secret Service rushed towards the President. And I think there were questions na bakit ang tagal ng ni President Trump dyan. Ang paliwanag niya dito, siya kasi ang nag-insist na gusto niya daw talagang ituloy. Kaso because of the Secret Service, they were saying na hindi, kailangan. Okay guys, isa pa pong video, it's another angle. Eto guys, tingnan niyo po ito. Ganito ka-intricate ang security ng Pangulo ng Amerika. When there is assassination attempt coming in, ito po'y paliwanag lang ng former Secret Service. There is a very tight layer of security sa President ng Amerika. One of the details ng President ng Amerika is all of his Secret Service is ready for, sabihin na natin parang sabi kanila, is ready for war. Even if there's 50 people, security service for the President was ready any time of the day, anywhere in the world. Basta nandiyan ang Presidente, they are ready to fight. And they will fight, they will fight until they die. Yun daw yung.
Ako po si Banat Boy at ito ang Philcast kung saan ang katotohanan walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share at subscribe na.